Hello children, good morning all of you. Children, all of you open your worksheets, open your first chapter, our national symbols. We are doing revision at present, and in our previous class we have done revision in hard words and fill in the blanks, right? Choose the correct answers also. And in today's class we are going to do revision from match the following. See the first one, green color from our flag. So green color from our flag represents prosperity. Prosperity, prosperity. Next one, peacock. Peacock is a national bird. Next one is Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. Fourth one is lotus. Lotus is a national flower. Okay. Now see short answers. See the first one. Name any three government documents where the national emblem is used. So we have to mention any three government documents that where we can find national emblem. Okay. Three government documents where the national emblem is used are passport, voter ID, currency of India. So the three government documents where the national emblem is used are passport, voter ID and currency of India. Second one, name the national vacations on which the national flag is hosted. The national vacations on which the national flag is hosted are Independence Day and Republic Day. So the national vacations on which the national flag is hosted are Independence Day and Republic Day. Third one, name any four national symbols of India. National symbols of India include Royal Bengal Tiger 1, Peacock 2, Lotus 3 and Banyan Tree 4. So, national symbols of India include Royal Bengal Tiger, Peacock, Lotus, Banyan Tree. Next one, who has designed our national flag? Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. Who has designed our national flag? Our national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. Who composed our national song? Our national song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. So, our national song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now see long answers. See the first one. Explain the importance of our national flag. The national flag symbolizes our country and our pride. So our national flag is a symbol of our country and pride of our country. It is hosted on both government and private buildings, offices and public places. It is hosted on national days like Independence Day and Republic Day. What is the national emblem of India? Where was it adapted from? The lion capital is the national emblem of India. It was adapted from the Ashokan pillar at Sarnath. It has 4 lions. One is hidden from view, facing all 4 directions. Third one, why does a country has national symbols? The national symbol of a country gives its citizens a sense of belonging to the country and unite them irrespective of their caste, creed and religion. Thus, we need to respect them. And see here, collect all our national symbols and paste it in the notebook. This was done in your homework books. Okay, children, you go through these long answers, short answers, match the following. So I will going to conduct test for you on this. Okay, bye children. Prepare well for your exams. Bye all of you.